Hello guys, in this video I will show you a Next.js project that I developed, which is actually a Canva clone, image and PDF editor. You can just see the directory structure of inside your screen right here. So if you're interested in this project, I've also given the link. You can directly purchase the full source code. And now let me show you the actual demo of this project. So it has all got all the features which Canva supports. So first of all, we have this feature for removing the background from an image. So it's really simple. You simply select the image file that you want to. So as I select a particular image, so once you select the image, all the processing is happening directly in the browser. And using actually this Canva clone editor, I also made money as well using Adsense and Ezoic. I will also show you the earnings as well. So I basically deployed this website and I'm getting some passive income as well using advertisement. So it's a single page application. All the you can just see we are running it locally. I'm just showing you for the demo purpose. It's very easy to deploy as well. It's a Next.js project. As you can see, we are using the latest version of Next. So we are also using some open source free libraries for this project, such as PDFlib, uh, this JS TensorFlow for removing the background. So every component is divided into its appropriate TypeScript file. So the project is fully customizable. You can add additional features and also you can easily modify this project. And similarly, you can download this output image once the background is removed. It's very easy. You can select any image. For example, let me select a different image just to show you. Again, you select the image, you repeat the process and just see the speed of this Canva clone. It's basically removing the background instantly as soon as you select the image. You can do this unlimited number of times. We are not using any sort of API. It's actually using free libraries to actually remove the background. And again, similarly, we have the second feature here. This actually also does the same thing. It actually removes the background and then it also provides you with this additional feature for actually changing the background color. So once you select the background color, it actually changes and replace the background with that color. So it's a really nice feature. You can just see here, just select the particular color and then click change background and instantly the background is applied. And then we have the PDF editor. So if you want to convert a bunch of images into PDF, you can use this tool as well. So it has a bunch of 6 tools available in a single application. So it's really easy to deploy this as well. So it's in Canva clone, image and PDF editor. So once you select the image, you click convert image to PDF. So once you click the button, automatically the PDF file will get downloaded. So similarly, we have another tools for merging PDF, splitting a long PDF into multiple files. So as you can see, these are fully fledged tools. So if you are interested in this project, guys, I've given the link in the description. You can directly purchase it. And once you purchase it, automatically the source code will get downloaded from Google Drive. And also we are running, I am just show you the AdSense earnings. You can just see here previous month I basically earned over $100 using this tool website. So it's very easy to deploy this. And also there is another ad network which is Ezoic as well. So you can also you can purchase the script from me. The link is given. And it's very easy to deploy this it's a single page tool kind of a website which can be monetized using ad networks. So as you can see from this website only, it's giving me a lot of good earnings, about $10 every day. So you can even do this as well if you want to earn. You can purchase this script. The link is given in the description. So I've also shown you the proof as well of this script is perfectly working. And you can even do the same thing by deploying this, putting advertisements and also earning passive income. So if you're interested, the link is given in the description.